How to hide or unhide the number of subscribers. I'll show you how to do it. First, open YouTube Studio in Chrome. Then, at the bottom left corner of your homepage, you will find a settings icon. Click Settings icon. Click Channel tab.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Click Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see the subscribers count. Uncheck the box on the display the number of people subscribed to my channel. And click Save. Now, let's check it on the YouTube app. Go to your channel. You see, the number of my subscribers has been hidden. Now, let's unhide it again. Just go back to YouTube Studio in Chrome. Click Settings again at the bottom left corner of the homepage. Click Channel tab. Click Advanced Settings. Scroll down again, and this time, check the box under the subscriber count. Then click Save. Now, let's check again at the YouTube app. You see, now, we can hide or unhide our subscribers count if we want to. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.